Hi, my name is Tom, and I am the captain of Karma.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the chef of Karma.
And we want to show you around the boat, show you a few things. All right. So, back over here, we have one of my favorite parts of the boat, which is our swim platform. So, when it's not holding our dinghy, it is a great spot to snorkel and scuba dive off of and just lounge around. Moving around this way, I will show you our Flybridge. And up here is one of the best places to hang out, whether we are sailing or on anchor for the night. We have 3 lounge chairs that fold up into seats, and it's one of the best places to hang out. We have, here's where we keep our snorkel equipment in these cases here, and we have our kayak for 2 people. Right here we have 2 stand-up paddle boards, and this is our bow lounge seating. It's another good place to hang out, have a cocktail. The window right here drops down, so I can serve guests drinks directly from the galley. And we have our trampoline, which is a good spot for kids to hang out on, jump around for a couple hours on end, however much they want. Here we have our 8 dive tanks. So we have 8 full scuba dive setups, BCDs, regulars, masks, and fins. And continuing on, our tender is in the water right now. It's a 30 horsepower tender, and it's able to tow our tube for the kids and also a wake skate for the kids as well. Continuing on, here we have our plancha grill, which is fun to make some food. Hannah can go into more detail on that. And let's see, moving into the cockpit, this is where we set up all of our meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These tables fold out, so we have as many as 8 people eating here. And this is our bar setup. So water, cocktails,